If your Mitsubishi Delica has any electrical issues, always start with the basics. First, make sure your ground cable is clean and you have a good connection. And in this video we're going to cover the voltage drop at the positive battery terminal. Battery wire brush is best friend. Always keep your terminals and posts cables clean. Okay, let's get to the battery positive terminal. As you can see, it's corroded, but we have to take a deeper look, and it's mostly ignored issue on Mitsubishi Delicas. Fans are getting older, and corrosion means increased resistance. Increased resistance means heat, and it's potentially dangerous. Let's take the battery cable off, and as you can see outside quite a bit of corrosion. Let's take the mounting bolt and remove the battery clamp. As you can see on outside, it's pretty rusted. Rust means electricity cannot flow properly, and as you can see, those eyelets, battery cables, they're pretty rusted. And if you can see, there is a crack at the clamp, and on the bottom it's all corroded. Tons of rust. Rust is not good. Not good means we have a voltage drop at the battery posts to the cable. We're not going too technical, and let's wire brush it, clean it, and everything what I'm going to do is pretty much self-explanatory, pretty easy. And electricity needs to flow, and let's reduce the resistance. Okay, my battery cables are getting cleaner. They're almost like new. Okay, shiny, good. Now let's take a look on the bottom of the cable. Good enough, all clean, no corrosion. But we're going to also clean the posts and the clamps. Always clean. Make sure you have a fresh connection. Good connection at the battery. Power and ground is essential for any electrical to work properly. Okay, as you can see, I replaced the battery clamp. Just put in a new one. Old one is gone. Good. Okay, bolt is tight, and now we're putting our positive first. Let's tighten it up, make sure we have a good tight connection. As you can see, I put a battery bracket was missing, and now same thing at the negative ground cable. All clean and everything is tight. And before you will start troubleshooting, looking for any electrical issues, start with the batteries. Let's put some dielectric grease on top of the battery posts. It will prevent the oxidation. Guys, if this video is helpful, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and as you can see, the final result all clean and connected and all good. Good to go for years. Easy, nothing's complicated. Visual inspection is always first. No specialty tools, and always start with the basics. That's what they teach us at school. Okay, let's fire it up our 4M40 Mitsubishi diesel. Always do visual inspection first, and make sure you have a good ground, good main power. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below. Take care, see you soon, and bye bye now.